Amandla. Amandla. Viva EFF, viva. Viva EFF, viva. I will EFF, I will. Awe mmušo wa makgodu, awe. Awe mmušo wa dirata marokgwana, awe. Forward to the EFF government, forward. Long live the undying spirit of Mama Winnie Mphahlele, long live. Long live the undying spirit of Mama Winnie Madikizela Mandela, long live. Amandla. Thank you very much. Program directors, Baruti Barena, our deputy president, our speaker of the legislature, the former premier, and all leaders who are here. The speaker of the legislature was graduating DP as a doctor. And I wondered why she graduated before the one sitting next to her, called Roletta, because she's more academic and more involved in those things of education. So, Speaker, you must inspire her to become doctor very soon. Comrades of the legislature of the EFF, the provincial leaders, councillors of the EFF, the sub-regional interim leadership corps, and Balapa, Rarolena, Khomotjaga, Mo Lelobile Lishole, Laulwanto. That's why le bona re tlile, because Mama o wa rena o tsamaile tsela le rena when it was not fashionable to do so. When we formed this organization, it was called an organization of children, that we cannot be led by a child. But she said, the children's organization, that's where I belong, because I'm going to guide those children of mine. Asere nyonye, asere shishimwe. Otro aga 2013 are former EFF Soweto, Rea Marikana, Rea FNB re celebrate 10 years. The reason why Magolena was still part of the EFF public representatives is because she made FNB bars when we celebrated 10 years. Each public representative was given a responsibility to bring a particular amount of buses or people. She never failed on that. And those who failed, we expelled them from the EFF, because we are not a home of laziness and position seekers. We are not going to replace the ANC with the ANC tendency. We must be different if we are to be an alternative to the ANC. Reska rata ditulo, bomaka ipea. Ware go bonas chaba stage si yualo, ubo sanju tlishe ditulo asidi tlish. Wakira ditulo dilo wana wanyaka onnaka pili. Onnaka pili yuang usadia mushomo wao. Kapele onna baba dile mushomo yabo. A funeral is a social activity. A funeral is like your birthday. A funeral is like your wedding. The only difference is that it has got a coffin and a dead person. When you plan a funeral, you plan it in your own image, in your mother's image, in your father's image. What kind of funeral will I want to give my parents? And as a leader, you start organizing that funeral in that particular order. Because you've got a self-love and self-care, and you do not suffer from self-hate. Because the rejection of your mother and rejection of yourself and those who look like you is a self-hate. We were not going to sit back and not allow a situation where our mother is going to be buried in a questionable way in our presence. We are not amongst those who forget those who are with them during difficult times. Ka hore le thoma o ja le lebala batho ba lena gore batho ba ba tsamaile le rena leeto le ke bo mang. Mama Winnie o tshwana le bo mama Mapula o gona mo, bo mama Macy Kennedy ke ba gekolo ba ileng gore sa le ba tsamaya tsela e le rena o fitlela mo ba beng ona, ene ba tsamaya tsela e ba re lebeletse gore tšatši le re ka robala bana ba swantse ba tle ba re beye. Ke ka mo re tlile mo o tlo beya mogekolo o wa bo rena, and we need nobody's permission to do that, because we know that she belongs to us. She has always served the poorest of the poor, and she has never looked down on the poorest of the poor, even though she was regarded as township elite. Ordinarily, those who are teachers and nurses and civil servants look down at ordinary people. But she ate from the same plate with them. She slept in the camps where the EFF was being built with the rank and file members of the EFF who are less qualified compared to her. But she never looked down on them, for she knew that we have a mission to accomplish, which is economic freedom in our lifetime. So fighters, this should serve as a revival. This should serve as a reminder that a divided house will never give birth to a king. Alega thoma o ngapangapana, wa thoma o tsoga lerole, o tsebe gore ha o na mo le yang. Le lwa le lwela eng le sena mmusho. Imagine a ntšatši le le ka tshwara mmusho re o ta tlhaga eng. Maabane ke be ke le kwa kgoši kwa Mohlaletsi. Ke fita ke ra ba etapele ba bangwe ba le gona mona ba EFF. Ba re mo nna ba re nna ke ntšhitše 18,000 ka reka kgomo, now ke ntšhitše 2,000. O ba kwa gore they are self-seeking, they are self-praising in front of me because they seek something in return, which is a favor. We are not here for a favor. We are here to serve the cause.